Yeah, peeps, good Sunday, yeah. As you can see, today we're gonna do some vlogging, people.
Yeah, I cook food today.
Yeah, babes in the kitchen. See, they go put on the peas.
Yeah.
You see me?
This is garlic, some piece of ginger in it.
What you mean, man? So, guys, see the vegetable over here, so I'm gonna cut up some raw veg with my mayonnaise. You know, because I love that, guys. I love that. See, then I'm gonna put on the peas in the pressure cooker. We go and cook. So while she put on the peas, while the peas are going to cook, guys, we go and cut up the vegetables. See it?
Yeah, so we still get back to when I cut up the veg.
Alright, people. So guys, see there, babes we go cut up the cabbage now. Cause you don't know say husband love a cabbage they cut up with the mayonnaise. I
don't use cutting board, I use my hand because I'm afraid I knife. I cut up here, I can't cut up here. Hello, let's stop your knives now.
So guys, see them and cut up.
So I say me can't. Me are not top chef, so me can't use the knife fast enough. Me have to just do it. Me can't
do. Improvise, guys. So I'm going to cut up a nice vegetable with my mayonnaise, and you know I think already like a pasta thing, but I've mixed veg I use today, guys. I have a mixed veg.
Chat, you don't know why you chat.
So guys,
just I use the raw veg with some mayonnaise on it and.
Yeah, guys, so the
sweet pepper cut up on.
The peas are going to cook, guys. So
peas are going pressure.
Yeah, pressure. So
today I'm going to look for some rice and peas.
And some
brown stew turkey neck.
Brown stew turkey neck, guys. You know some love, you know, guys.
And that me feel for. I'm not sure you love you.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So I guess this is the end of my vegetable. As you can see in there, then. Yes, this is the end of my vegetable. So guys, I'm going to add my mayonnaise to it now. This is how me make it. I just make it and add what I'm adding to it. So I'm going to add the mayonnaise to it now. So I guess here is the mayonnaise. guys. So, the video man just come back in our kitchen.
Yeah guys, so see them I put in the mayonnaise on it. Like how it look guys. Whenever you can hear you know the pressure cooker go on. Get ready to let go some steam. Yeah. So guys.
Guys, the reason I put piece of cardboard on the table.
I want it now separate
because I don't want it now separate tablecloth because I don't have a plastic over it. So me just put it on. Alright, Maggie chef. Nice chef.
Tester.
It tester. If you're alright to film suit now.
What I mean, man?
We taste tester. Can go on. You want? No, no, you want mayonnaise. Just mayonnaise I used to.
Good. Guys, I don't want some mayonnaise here. Yeah, man, bring some more mayonnaise in here. You guys don't know how this tastes, guys. Trust me. Nice.
So yes, guys, I'm gonna put this in the fridge now.
So
anytime the peas don't cook,
they'll come back soon, guys.
Come back soon, and I set on the meat when after the peas don't cook. I pressure. I pressure it turkey neck down. You see if my gas.
You see me?
The rain falls, so I can't go make up no wood fire. So I pressure turkey neck.
So guys,
now put the vegetable in the fridge and get back to you when I'm ready to do set on the meat and thing. So I just stay tuned.
You see me? Out. Spoon forward, guys. So see the guys, meat well seasoned up from last night.
Yeah, I seasoned it up from last night, put it in the fridge. So that's the reason why I never see it. But soon as I see it, let me take it out of the fridge now. Add it to the pressure cooker, you know.
Yeah, see the highlight where they get hot. Come in. Show the people them are going and pot them.
Alright, see.
The rice pot there. Peas season up. I got your bun me up.
Scallion and thyme, everything in a little Maggi season, little Maggi chicken season. I don't know milk powder, guys. So we use the butter, as you can see it around the edges them.
Yeah, we didn't get figure no supermarket.
Yeah, we don't got no supermarket this week, so
we're gonna feed the highlight hot.
Yeah. So add the meat to it, you know.
You know what thing go?
Yeah.
So no matter bun me up, you know. And I go from in the kitchen. Hurry up. Don't know. Chef Jody in our building. Don't know. I come on a long time. Guys, we can't cook in guys, but this way we can cook it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Steam with the people.
I might recall it all the time. I'm cook every day. They go like another hour. Every day you come in and come get dinner.
That's what you are for. Cook your husband dinner. Look guys, see them, I'm going to like a little bit here. Nice, pretty fat juice turkey in them. So guys, so we cover it up, make it go and fry a little bit.
Next we put on the cover.
Yeah, so guys, as you can see the rice a bubble. Meat are going to fry up, so guys. So we get back to you now. In time we know say.
Put in the rice and thing in the pot and I'll get the rice washed and stick in here now.
Yeah. So see the guys, rice just gone in my pot.
Just add in the rice, so cover it up, make it go on. Simmer down.
You see me, I don't know top shit. I mean, guys, I mean, I feel instructor what for doing now, guys.
Yeah, tell, don't do it.
See there, come stir up the turkey neck there. Bun up the turkey neck. I'll drop my neck, guys, in and bun them.
Yes guys, so I'm ready to add in the water, so now add in the water and put on it.
Okay guys.
Pressure on it guys, pressure on the top on it, put one.
Water there. Right, keep them there, make no feet now. Yeah. Top chef out of the water. Alright. You want to look at story again. You know, guys, I've been saying, that's your instructor, you know?
I like that. Top tell the people.
Ooh, guys, I joke, me make a top chef, guys, a top chef.
Tell the people I'm learning to cook. Tell them.
Guys, they told them one in that, guys.
Lie.
Yeah, guys.
I'm learning to cook. I'm a top chef.
Alright, guys, see there. Cook it now. One. Keep going pressure. Then when time it's done pressure, guys, we're going to see all come. Then we can add the ingredients.
Yeah, ingredients them done cut up already. See there, guys.
So see the guys, ingredients well ready. I wait for the turkey neck. So guys.
So
in
me
time,
go add in me get back to you.
Yeah, guys. So guys, me a beg you know. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah.
You see me, guys. Alright, guys. Soon again. When we meet done pressure, Chef Doni come back to you.
Chef Jody.
You see the guys.
Check back here and see there. It's a simmer done, like it good done.
Yeah, so
tell me guys in the comment section.
Yeah,
It's good done.
Look funny, guys.
Yeah.
See the first turkey neck, they still are going pressure, guys. See the spin like a dick.
You see, guys,
we are madman in the kitchen, you know, guys. You see the guys, I'm going to put a bit of plastic over it. Just steam it down. Put plastic over it, people don't see them, man.
Yeah.
If you want steam, guys, you know how things go. They look beautiful.
Yeah.
So guys, if you want steam down, come back to when time turkey neck. When the turkey neck done pressure, you know, so by the time it's done pressure, the rice you done cook. That's the guys, so soon tuning back again. So yes guys, see there, turkey neck done pressure. Just throw it in the pot, throw in the ingredients water you know.
Yes, yeah. Throw in the ingredients you know. So.
Yeah guys, I'm a teacher right now guys.
I know you might teach me.
So I'll go in there pot and zoom in down on
Daily and time, carrot, every little thing we can add to it.
Yeah guys,
so dry done, so we get back to
cook. So when time we go check it again and stir it, I'm gonna see it, you know?
Yeah.
The rice over there, so I go and steam. I'm showing you again guys. All the bagel I drop off. See the guys. Check him there. Yeah guys. What do you taste it? Like one?
I want to steam a bit now.
Alright, no problem. So guys, see the fire and it blaze. You can see it. So guys, so I'm gonna make it go and cook down.
Get back to us soon.
You see me guys? Guys, but remember, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me people?
Come over life with Doni and Jody.
Yeah, love you guys, thanks for the support. So I say, the cook down, circle on again, you can see what I want. You see me? So yes guys, see it there.
No simmer done soon lock off.
Simmer down like 5 minutes time, you can lock off. So I'm going for the rice, so people in the rice, so I'm going
rice done already guys.
Rice done in the pot, like hard God, they're going with the pot.
Rice
See the
done
guys, lovely, not true, no want some. You see, if you want some guys, fill in the plate in the comment section, we can eat the food. You see me guys? So guys, rice are going to steam down, rice are going to steam down, turkey are going to bubble, you see? Guys, and then we are going to share, and when we are going to go down in the turkey neck guys, we will come back to you guys. So when time we meet done, I will share guys, come back, show them what I go on. You see me? So guys, see it there, finishing touch. We pick my food there. The food there, you don't know.
My food here.
Yeah.
So be a food here, see your film plate big.
Whack.
Gravy, you know.
You don't know anything about
guys.
Lovely, not you know some?
And just leave a comment in the comment section and tell me how food tastes.
Yeah guys, all we can taste it. So guys.
Hey, by the looking of it, you don't know, say it tastes good.
guys, right now, I don't talk to you too long because right now I'm hungry, you know, guys. So, thank you, for you watch this video. So, come to the end of this video, guys. So, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Bala, oh, you said Bali, the whole. Yeah. So, guys, you hungry? Get some
I'm
food.
gonna eat now, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell.
Out, guys. Soon, look more. You see me?